In this lecture, we are going to talk about Wireshark, an essential tool for network administrators. Now, Wireshark is a network protocol analyzer, not a hacking tool. It's designed for network administrator to monitor their networks, ensuring everything is working correctly and detecting any suspicious activities. Wireshark works by capturing network traffic through your selected interface. It could be your wired or wireless card. Once you select an interface, Wireshark starts logging all the network traffic flowing through it. This data can then be analyzed in detail using its graphical interface, which provide powerful filtering and search options. Wireshark lets you filter packets based on protocol like HTTP, TCP, or even search for specific data such as cookies, post requests, or GET requests. This flexibility is why it's a popular tool for network troubleshooting. Now, let me show you how Wireshark works. So, first of all, we open terminal or from application menu, open Wireshark. We will launch Wireshark, select the interface connected to my network. In this case, ETH0. If I open a browser and visit google.com, you can immediately see the traffic being generated. But remember, Wireshark only captures traffic going through your own interface. For instance, traffic generated by other devices, like my another Kali machine here, won't appear unless we perform something like AIP spoofing to become the man in the middle. This is where techniques like AIP spoofing come in handy. By becoming the man in the middle, we can intercept and capture the traffic of devices we can targeting. In future videos, we will explore creating fake access points and further diving into AIP spoofing. Here is an example using BetterGap for AIP spoofing. Run the BetterGap. Once the spoofing is successful, Wireshark will be capturing all traffic from the target machine. Now I open a google.com to our target machine. As you can see, the traffic from that device is now being logged by Wireshark on my Kali Linux machine. To wrap up, Wireshark is a tool for logging and analyzing packets that pass through your interface. It's powerful for network monitoring, but is not inherently a hacking tool. In the next video, we will take a deeper look at how to use Wireshark for packet sniffing and analysis. And I will see you in the next video, where we will dive deeper into packet sniffing and traffic analyzing using Wireshark.